Chapter 1, Relation and Function of Class 12 Mathematics. Summary. There are three types of relation: a reflexive relation, symmetric relation and transitive relation. A reflexive relation means a relation from R from set A to set A is reflexive if A is related to A for all A belong to A. Symmetric relation, a relation R defined from set A to set A is said to be symmetric relation if A is related to B implies B is related to A for all AB belongs to A. Transitive relation, a relation R from set A to set A is transitive if A is related to B and B is related to C implies A is related to C for all ABC belongs to A. Equivalence relation, if a relation has a reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation, then we say that that relation is equivalence relation. For example, let T is a set of all triangles in a plane and R is defined as T to T, T1, T2 such that T1 is congruent to T2, then R is equivalence relation. Similarly, types of functions. There are two types of functions. One is the 1-1 function and another is onto function. 1-1 function is also called injective function. Onto function is also called surjective function. Let us define what is 1-1 function. 1-1 function, f is defined from set x to set y is 1-1 if f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2 for all x1 x2 belong to set x, otherwise the function is said to be many 1. Similarly, for surjective function, suppose a function is defined from set x to set y is said to be onto if for every y belongs to set y there exists x belongs to set x such that f of x equal to y, then that function is called surjective. So this is the total summary of chapter 1, relation and function of class 12 mathematics.